If you're looking for a new career, CDL Mentors is the place to turn. KPLC is connecting you to CDL Mentors here at the Seed Center at McNeese State University. Mr. Herman Maroney is the owner and runs the operation here, and you're teaching people a really important skill in our area.
Yes, I am. I'm teaching them to obtain their CDL Class A and Class B license.
All right, what can we do with once we have that certification, once we have that license?
Wow, once you have a Class A license, really the world is yours. The demand, according to the Department of Labor, there's like a 50,000 job trucker shortage in the United States of America. So once you get that A license, I like to compare it to you become a first round draft pick. People are always calling you, wanting to hire you. Like locally, there's plants that want to hire you. Then over the road, there's companies such as Snyder and other over the road companies would love to employ you.
All right, and those over the road people get to travel, get to see the country, but there are a lot of opportunities that keep you right here at home just working in the local area.
Of course, because the demand for truck drivers is so high, and they make money over the road, so the local people have to raise it up. Like for instance, Coca-Cola is looking for it, Southwest Beverage are looking for drivers. They constantly come over here trying to recruit drivers for the local market.
All right, so you train people how to get that license so they can be one of those drivers. How long does it take to get a license?
Full-time is 4 weeks, part-time is 8 weeks.
Okay, and it really is important to know that you do have that part-time class schedule for people that are already working but are looking to kind of move up in their career.
Exactly, so you can come here Monday through Thursday from 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. and also on weekends from about 6 in the morning to 5 in the afternoon to further get your CDL 8.
All right.
License.
You take part of the classes here at the Seed Center where you're sitting down and learning things on the computer. You've got a simulator back there that really is fantastic so that you can practice before you're actually sitting behind the wheel in the truck. But then you have to go out and do a little truck driving as well.
Correct. So when students first come in, if they do not have a permit, a Class A or Class B permit, then they work on these computers to get their permit. But once they have their permit, yes, they go to the backing pad and they learn how to straight back, how to alley dock and offset.
All right, so what is the graduation rate here? Is it tough to get through this course?
It is a tough course, but fortunately we have a 100% CDL completion rate here at one of the only trucking schools in the country to do so.
You really do work with each individual student to make sure they get all the way through.
It's minimum mandatory that they get their CDLs and then get a job and then go on further their careers.
All right, and we're talking about men and women. You have both that take this class and both that are out there on the roads.
For some reason, this field is seen as male-dominated. Not anymore. We graduate women and men probably maybe a 25% ratio.
All right, and the salary's great.
Starting salaries nationally anywhere from like 58 to 72, and locally not as high, but at least you get to stay home.
All right, that is a great salary for people, especially when you consider it's maybe 6-8 weeks of time to get that license so that you can get out there and earn that money. Their phone number is 602-8223. Give them a call.